Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Grumpy Captain and this is my first video on YouTube, and I am today going to push from Royal Arena to Frozen Peak. My real goal is to reach Challenger 1 and I would be uploading those videos after today, or I will see. So guys, let's go into the video. Okay, I'm going to do my first battle. Let's see what happens. Okay, this guy is of level 6. We will be waiting for some time till okay, this guy put Mini P.E.K.K.A. We would put Witch so that its skeleton would kill Mini P.E.K.K.A. and distract them. After this we would at this side we will put Valkyrie and let the push go on. We would put Baby Drac for the help. I don't have worries for that side. Okay, he had to cut tower, no problem. Okay, we would be trying to push now this side as it can be a push. Okay, he had took my tower. Okay, so it means this player can be playful. Let's see what happens. We will. Okay, Hog Rider is going from that side. Let's see. Okay, sure. Damage. Okay, this damage is okay. Just one more Hog Rider and the tower is down. Haha. Now let's see what this guy would drop. I hope this guy is going to drop his Ram Rider and a Hog Rider. Yes, I think. Now we will put a Valkyrie. Now let's see what happens. Okay, which would take that goblins out. Okay, by chance if Valkyrie dies, we would put a Knight down and then a Baby Dragon. This would be this can be a push. Okay, one tower down. Now we will try for going 3 crowns. I hope this would be a 3 crown. Okay, that tower is also down. Yes, we are doing good till now. 702 damage more for 3 crowns. Okay, he had put again his Ram Rider and Hog Rider push. Let's see what happens. Oh no, I think if we didn't have put anything, he would have won. Let's see what happens. One more Hog Rider. Okay, we have won the match and more 3 matches to reach till Frozen Peak. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Now let's open our silver chest. Okay, let's do our second battle. I hope this guy would also be playful guy. Okay, this guy is level 7. Okay, we have Witch, Wizard, Valkyrie, Bomber. We hadn't played Bomber last match. Okay, we would also put our Witch down behind the tower. Okay, hope. Okay, Baby D here. Take that Bomber out. I hope that Bomber is out. Okay, we stopped the push. Okay, Baby D got one shot. Now we have to do this Prince here so that the Mini P.E.K.K.A. would be distracted. Now Knight in front of the Prince. Oh, it was bad. He has Skeleton Army. Okay, we would be putting Bomber so that it would take out the Barbarian and the Skeleton Army. Let their Bomber go. We would be fulfilling our elixir. Okay, this time I would not be wasting my Valkyrie. This time Wizard. Let the Witch come to bridge and now Valkyrie is going down. Okay, Bomber down. Now we would be Hog Rider or Balloon. Okay, we would be doing a Hog Rider. No worries. That mini P.E.K.K.A. Oh, that mini P.E.K.K.A. is still alive. Nice. Like that. Okay, we would be putting a Baby D. That Baby D should take everything. I hope. Okay, this guy also has a wizard, level 8. Think that wizard should... Okay, that wizard was painful. We would put wizard again. And the Valkyrie. No, I don't think Valkyrie should be good because he is having a witch. Okay, that prince took out his... Okay, Valkyrie is protecting wizard. Baby D here. Bomber there. I think that tower should be ours. Okay, we would be putting Hog Rider in the next lane. And then which, as expected, the Hog Rider was killed by Skeleton Army. Okay, we would be keeping our Valkyrie for that level 9 witch. Okay, now wizard for the Skeleton Army. Sorry, Goblin Barrel. That bomber would do only 2 shots. No, only 1 shot. Okay, my second battle has also finished. I won. More 2 battles to go till Frozen Peak. Let's do our third battle. Okay, battle has started. This is also level 7 guy. Okay, we would be... Oh, okay. This guy is having Mega Knight. We would be putting Prince here for the Mega Knight. Okay, that Goblin Barrel is doing a lot of damage. We have to take that out. Okay, we would be putting Knight in front of both of them so that they can get cover. I hope that tower should be ours. The witch would be taking out that. No problem. Oh, my witch is still alive. That's surprising. Okay, that tower is ours. Now we would be going for the second crown tower. I think he would be putting his Mega Knight again in the right lane. Yes, as expected. Okay, I have Valkyrie for both of them. Okay. Thankfully, they did not damage the tower. Okay, that Goblin Barrel is again dealing a lot of damage. Okay, waiting for movement. Okay, now I will be putting Knight. That witch would be killing. Okay, I hope that witch don't die. Okay, PBD is going down. That was a bad tornado, but still I appreciate it. Okay, Valkyrie was a bad idea, but still it's okay. Valkyrie would deal a little bit more damage. I hope more 2 shots. One more Hog Rider. Yes, one more, and I hope this would be 3 crown. Okay, we have these are 3 crown. One more battle and we are at Frozen Peak. Let's do our last and final battle. Okay, more 4 trophies means one more battle we have to do. Let's collect reward, and this one also. Let's battle our last battle. Okay. Okay, this battle is in Frozen Peak. I knew it. Okay, we would be waiting. That was a bad zap, but it's okay. Wizard. Yes.
Fireball.
It worked. Okay, a Valkyrie in front of this. And then a Prince. Because Valkyrie is there, so Prince can attack the tower without disturbed by that skeleton army. Without getting. Okay, he is also as level 8 Prince. The Prince is going down. Now we would be putting. No, we are not putting anything down. That Wizard is going down. One more shot and he's out. Now we would be waiting for him to do something. Okay. Okay. We have to do this. I think that giant skeleton swarm is going to kill everything. So it was waste of elixir. Yes, as expected. We had to protect our tower, so we had to put that Valkyrie down. Okay, let the Valkyrie go. We would be putting our Wizard. Let the elixir be 10. We will be putting our Wizard here. And baby D for that Goblin Barrel. After that we would be putting a Prince in front of them for a cover, and then a Knight. Okay, that was a bad idea, I know, but still. Okay, that Wizard is still alive, however. Okay, that Prince died. Will not leak elixir. We would put the Valkyrie down here so that the Valkyrie does not touch our tower. Okay, Wizard. I hope this guy doesn't have a fireball, which would rock my world. Okay, this guy had not played this skeleton army for a long time. If he have, this guy is being dumb, I think so. Okay, I hope I won. Oh, that was a bad placing, but still it's okay. Oh, the Hog Rider didn't go. And as guys, we have reached Frozen Peak. Thank you guys for watching my video till the end. I hope you liked the video. Let's aim for 100 likes. Please share this video with your friends, and I will catch you guys next time.